Alright, well, time to replace the old hood on the MK4 Jetta. Before I bought it, somebody, I guess, let the hood slam back, so it's messed up on both sides. Not to mention all the peel. I primered right here because there was a little bit of rust. So, let's get this new hood on. Alright, let's get this hood popped up, y'all. Alright. Hood popped up. Make sure this is a size 13 real quick. Yes, it is. Yep. Alright, we got the correct size. Alright, let's get this hose cut real quick. Alright. There are 4 bolts. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. We're going to cut this line because my new hood has a replacement line already. So we're going to cut it about here. Get these bolts off. And then start installing the new hood. Alright, let's get these hood bolts out. Next side. All right, put it out. Old hood gone. Let's go grab the new one. I have the new hood in place. 1 bolt in so far on this side. I'm gonna hit this side now with 1 bolt. I'm doing this by myself, so it's a little difficult. Alright, 1 bolt on each side. We're going to run through and hit the other 2 bolts real quick. Last bolt going in. Alright, new hood is on. I do have to unbend this hood strut and get a new hood strut, but other than that, let's see. New hood installed. Now I just gotta do this fender next and we're good to go. Let's roll.